all. During this pandemic situation of COVID-19, we have to keep fit our body with mind and have to boost our immunity against coronavirus, that is COVID-19. We should follow healthy lifestyle by doing exercise regularly. It may be yoga, maybe running, jogging, or going gymnasium or any fitness center for fit body. If health is gone, everything gone. People who are not involved in healthy lifestyle may suffer a range of health disorder like obesity, high blood pressure, heart disease, then diabetes, cholesterol, kidney problem, liver disorder, and so many. An unhealthy body get tired very easily, and tired body easily loses motivation and self-confidence. So today onwards, we should wake up early in the morning and follow a healthy lifestyle by any means for ourselves and for future generation. For a male adult chicken also wake up early in the morning and start praying. It's as usual style. In morning, in many countryside or rural area, many people wake up after listening the sound of cock crow. Let's enjoy the sound. Now I am also producing sound of a hen while laying egg. Cock realized his pain and made sound. Viewers, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.